How to make piano house. First, let's set the tempo to 126 BPM and start with a deep kick from a sample pack. Then let's layer some short claps on every other beat. And some long offbeat open hi-hat. Now we need some closed hi-hats. And add some swing. Then we just need a crash to finish off the drums. Guys, if you're interested in these samples, they're from a sample by Infinity Group. It contains more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, hi-hats, snares, shakers, percussion loops, and more. These drums work with any genre, for example, techno, house. So if you're interested in these samples, make sure to check it out using the link in description. Now let's add a simple repetitive bass. And let's sidechain this to the kick using a limiter. Now for our main elements, we need a bright piano like this one from Korg M1. And let's make some short and catchy piano chords. I'll use shaper box to sidechain this because I don't want the kick to dip so much of the piano. And with shaper box, we can get a really minimal sidechain effect to keep the piano prominent. Then let's turn down the lows. And saturate the highest to brighten the piano a bit more. Now let's layer a soft organ to this. I'll just sidechain this. Then we need some pads following our chord progression. I'll sidechain this. and dampen the highs. Now we're going to create two supporting melodies using some bells. The first one will follow the top notes of the chords, and the second one will follow the root note. Moving on to the second half of the drop, let's add a right energetic lead. We'll just adjust this. Then we need some vocals. For that, I'll use this tonal chart. And this phrase,
Bad trouble here.
I'll add some reverb to this,
Bad trouble here. Right here at home.
some delay,
Bad trouble here. Right here at home.
some EQ to cut off
Bad
the
trouble
lows
here.
and boost some highs,
Right here at home. I mean, besides that, it just isn't worth $1.
and some
Bad
saturation.
trouble here. Right here at home. I mean, besides that, it just isn't worth it.
Now that the drop's done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the pads, some bells, and the vocals.
Bad trouble here. Right here at home. I mean,
And let's add the organ, the clap, and the tonal shot after 8 bars.
bad trouble here. Right here at home. I mean,
Let's also introduce the organ using a simple volume automation.
besides that, it just isn't worth $1. Bad trouble here.
Moving on to the build-up, let's add the piano without the sidechain. And add a rolling snare fill. And let's create a pitch automation to this. And let's add some rises. And some downlifters. Now let's duplicate this and change things around at the second half. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.
Bad trouble here, right here at home. I mean, besides that, it just isn't worth a dollar. Bad trouble here, right here at home. I mean, besides that, it just isn't worth a dollar. Bad trouble here, right here at home. I mean, besides that, it just isn't worth a dollar. Bad trouble here, right here at home. I mean, besides that, it just isn't